Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I made this lovely fruited cake. Yes, this is wedding cake recipe, super yummy for your wedding. So try it and you will thank me later. If you're new to my channel, you're welcome to my channel. To my old subscribers, thanks for coming back again. Let's dive into the main thing. Just relax and watch to the end. Let's start. 3 days ago, before the day I baked the cake, I bought 1 pack of dry fruit and I have squad raw. Yes, that's 1 man squad, sorry, already in the house. This is alcohol for my fruit. So I soaked the fruit and left it. It stayed for 3 days. I soaked this on a Tuesday and I baked this on a Friday. So I'm right now, first thing to do, I start creaming my butter. This is 1.5 kg of butter. So I have 900 grams of sugar for it. I'll just cream a little. Today I'll be using my hand standing mixer because we'll have light. So if you don't have standing mixer, please use your pistol and big bowl and mix. It will still come out beautiful. If you want to see how I made such, maybe I'll drop one of the link on the description box below for you to see that you, without standing mixer, you can also do this same mixing. Cream your butter very well and it will still come out beautiful. I'll still drop videos that I used just my pistol and my big bowl to cream my butter and sugar, and the cake came out beautiful. So you feel free to use whatever you have and the result will still be the same. So right now I will start creaming in a lower speed before I will go to the higher speed. Once again, if you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you are welcome. I cook, I bake, I decorate cakes, I do different pastries. So feel free, relax, take out time and check out my channel and enjoy a lot of recipe that you will never even think of, that you can't even remember. I have more than 400 recipes that you will love, so feel free to check. Right now you can see I creamed this up to 1 hour for it to come out beautiful and fluffy. Look at that, it's looking perfect. So let me introduce the other ingredients. While I'm still creaming, I will start introducing my other ingredients to you. First, I have my 30 pieces of eggs, 1 crate of eggs I've already washed, my lemon zest and my nutmeg. This one is my baking powder, and this butterscotch I'll be using. Also I'll also be using my dark vanilla flavor. This is my dark vanilla flavor. I'll also be using black charcoal. Feel free to use the bigger one. This is a smaller one. This is my cinnamon. I'll also be using cinnamon, 3 tablespoons. This is golden syrup. Mine is finished. Please, if you have it, still add 3 tablespoons of your golden syrup. It's still okay. Here is my soaked fruit. I soaked for 3 days with alcohol. Here is it. Okay, right now the first thing I'll be adding baking powder to my sieved flour and mix it together. When I'm done sieving my baking powder, I'll measure out my cinnamon and I'll start cracking my egg one after the other. Please, it's very important you crack the eggs one after the other to avoid any bad one. It's very, very important. I will continue this way till I'm done. Look at that, beautiful. So I'll whisk the egg a little and I'll go ahead to add my liquid recipes right inside the egg. The vanilla, the scotch butter, black charcoal, brownie, and all that. So whisk a little and I'll start adding every other thing right inside. After taking in my browning, I'll whisk it a little and I'll set it aside and I'll get ready to start incorporating dry wet ingredients together. Right now, I left this to go and on my oven. My oven is on. Yes, I'm preheating my oven already. Look at our batter. It looks so beautiful. So to me, if I'm using my spatula or my pistol to cream my butter, I will use my spatula to raise it up. If you raise it up, it drops. You know it is ready. Look at that. Raise it up, it drops on its own without you shaking your spatula or your wedding spoon. You know it's ready. So right now, a little of wet ingredients, a little of dry ingredients. You keep mixing till everything has entered. Look at the beautiful color. I love mine like this. Some people love theirs darker, so feel free to add more browning to it. The more you add more browning, the darker it becomes. Okay, let's pour in our cinnamon, lemon zest, and nutmeg. cream, and you pour in your fruit. This is the fruit. Feel free to sieve out the alcohol if you can. I tried sieving out mine, but little quantity entered. It's not bad. You can see the remaining there, so I'm not putting it. I'm okay with it because this cake will be consumed in just 2 days, so I don't want to add much alcohol to it. Even the lemon zest is a preservative on its own. It has its own beautiful flavor, and it also serves as a preservative. Yes, that's the first preservative I came to know as a baker. So feel free to use it, and your cake will always be beautiful at last. So cream. Look at that, beautiful. I've already greased my 3 pans. Yes, I'm using 12 inches pan. Yes, this 12 inches. I have 3. I greased with my butter. Yes, the margarine, and I dusted with some little flour. So I'm okay this way. If you don't want this way, you can go ahead and use your baking powder and spread it out on the pan, but I'm fine because it will still come out beautiful. Just do the one that works for you. So immediately I share out the batter. I will tap on my table to close up air bubbles. The reason why you share out your batter is for it, number 1, to bake faster, and for it not to look dense. I baked for 40 to 50 minutes. Look at that beauty. The outcome was so amazing. So let me allow it to cool off. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, please, you're welcome to join the family. Just click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell to be getting alerts of my newest video. If I drop new video, you will get an alert. Subscription is free, just for you to be getting alerts of my new video. To my old subscriber, thanks a million for coming around. Please don't forget to like. Feel free to ask questions. Thanks so much for watching this video. Just look at that. So I'll allow it to cool off. After a little while, feel free to use your cling film and wrap it up. If you don't have cling film, just use your cake wrapper to cover it. Thanks for watching. Bye.